All right, this is the Build Your Spaceship Sculpture Challenge. We are going to use recycled materials, anything you can find around your house. Make sure you ask your parents first. I have some tape. I also have some packing tape, so whatever you happen to have around. I'm not going to use glue for this because tape just tends to hold better. If you have white masking tape, that works too. I have some scissors. I have some cardboard from a cereal box. I have some plastic from a muffin container. I have a yogurt container, a tube, some straws. So we are going to go ahead and construct our spaceship. So you can make your spaceship look like anything you want. Use your imagination and really think about how you can use these materials and how you can alter them to make the coolest spaceship possible. Think about them almost like Legos or like building materials. How can you cut them? How can you make them fit together? How can we make them into the coolest spaceship? We're not going to worry about what it looks like. We will decorate them next week. We'll talk about different ways that we can finish them off. This week we just want to focus on construction. Have fun.
As you can see, I have all my materials right here. They are ready to go. I did a little sketch earlier, but I already have a pretty good idea of what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get working on my pieces. If you need any help cutting, like some of these plastic pieces are a little bit harder to cut, make sure you talk to a grown-up. I like the way that the shape of these top muffins are. I'm going to get in here, and sometimes it's easier to just sort of cut things in half first and then get in there and cut them smaller. This one works better, I think. We'll go ahead and get in here. Definitely want to make sure they're clean.
right, as you can see, I have constructed my recycled robot. So I have used, or not robot, my recycled spaceship. I have used some straws for the legs, sort of like a lunar landing. I have my yogurt cup. I have parts of that plastic cupcake container, part of my cereal box here, that toilet paper tube here, and then more of that cereal box that I just made into a point so that it looks like it's a very pointy rocket ship. All right, so this is my sculpture, and I can keep thinking about it throughout the week, and you can always add to it anytime. Next week we'll talk about how we're going to finish it off and decorate it to make it look a little bit more like a spaceship and less like a recycled project. All right, have fun.